today's topic is pharmacovigilance. In that, the clinical trial will see. Clinical trial are the research studies that evaluate new ways to improve treatment and quality of life for people with disease like pancreatic cancer. Clinical trials are an option for all patients to consider and play an important role in improving treatment. Results from clinical trials help develop new drugs, new diagnostic tools, and new clinical procedures. All the drugs and tools we have today were made possible because patients volunteered for clinical trial. Informed consent is a process that helps patients make an informed decision about whether to join a clinical trial. An informed consent document will be provided that explain the purpose, procedures, and potential benefit and risk of the trial. There are 4 phases. If 01 trial does not have a positive or a negative or a safe outcome in phase 1, then it will not be allowed to proceed a phase 2 trial. Before a phase 1 trial begins, there is a phase 0 where the new treatment has already been found to be safe in animals or healthy human volunteers. In phase 1 clinical trial, a new treatment is tested in a small group of patients. In phase 2 clinical trial, conducted on large group of patients. Phase 3 clinical trial conducted on even very large, which involves randomized design. If phase 3 is positive, a new treatment is approved by FDA. After approving phase 4 clinical trial involve monitoring, which sees safety, efficacy, and optimal use. Then we'll see the definition of pharmacovigilance. This definition is by WHO given by 2002 year. The science and activities related to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effect or any other drug related problem. There are 4 important terms of pharmacovigilance: detection, assessment, understanding and prevention. In detection, for example, in case of clinical trial, it's the investigator, or in the case of post-marketing trial, it's either physician or the prescriber or the patient himself who report the adverse event or any drug-related problem. Assessment, for example, the investigator or the healthcare professional, that is HCP, who be assessing if the adverse event or the drug-related problem is some other reaction. Understanding, the reporter and safety specialist is involved in understanding the adverse event or drug related problem, and then this is prevention by proactively reporting the adverse event or a drug related problem to the regulatory authorities and taking precautionary actions would help in preventing the adverse event in future. Objectives of pharmacovigilance. The objective of pharmacovigilance is the reduction of the frequency and the severity of adverse effect of drugs while maintaining or better improving their efficacy. The quality of a drug more particularly depends on the pharmaceutical industry and the authorities responsible for their approval on the market and their withdrawal if necessary, and the recommendation for their use. Any information on the ADR or a lack of efficacy connected with the use of medical device or ADRs occurring in course of the use of a drug from the drug overdose, whether accidental or intention. Then we'll see ICH. The full form of ICH is International Conference on Harmonization. ICH, a body founded in 1919, brings together the regulatory agencies and the pharmaceutical industries in the three ICH regions, that is European Union, Japan and United States, to discuss scientific and technical discussion of the testing procedure required to assess and ensure the safety and efficacy of pharmaceutical procedure, reasons for harmonization to minimize the escalating cost of care, to minimize the escalating cost in research and development, to ensure that there was a minimal delay in providing new treatment that is safe and effective for the patient. Then we'll see ICS region, regulatory body and their industry representation. ICS region in Europe, the regulatory body for Europe is European Union, it is EU, and industry representation is European Federal of Pharmaceutical Industry and Association. ICS region in USA, the regulatory body is US Food and Drug Administration, that is US FDA. Industrial representation is Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturer of America. ICS region for Japan, the regulatory body is Ministry of Health, Labour and Welfare, Japan, that is MHLW. Industrial representation, Japan Pharmaceutical Manufacturer. Then steering committee. This is a governing body which oversees the harmonization activities and consists of these three founding parties and the observers. Global coordination group comprises of a regional harmonization initiative, and these groups are APEC, ASEAN, EAC, GCC, PANDRH, SADC. Along with these three, there are 8 other drug regulatory authorities. ICH working group. The group consists of discussion group, informal working group, informal working group, expert working group. Discussion group, it is created to discuss specific scientific consideration or view. Informed working group, they develop a finalize the concept paper or a business plan. Expert working group responsible for developing the harmonized guideline that meet the guideline of the concept paper and plans. Implementation working group to facilitate implementation of guideline.